Hi everybody, it's week 2, Blackboard Review. So here you've got your literature review overview. This week you're going to be taking a deep dive into the nuts and bolts of basically finding your sources and writing that literature review section. Please remember that you need to have your component document downloaded from last week so that you can, it's sort of like an outline of your project, and so that way you can tell what the length of each piece is going to be. You are going to be finding 20 peer-reviewed journal articles within the last 10 years. And that is for both projects. It doesn't matter which type of project that you're doing. And so what we do is we sort of remind you of what a literature review is this week. So there are 2 resources. One is this video, How to Write a Literature Review, and then this is the Write Online Guide. It is a really cool website, and it really absolutely will help you write your literature review. And you'll notice here it says, after completing this, please mark the reviewed button to show completion. And you will do that for both of these. And they are assignments that are must-dos, and you will receive a 1 when we can see that you have clicked the reviewed, mark as reviewed button. So that is your job for this week. You are certainly more than welcome to do these things early in the week. And if you would like to keep on going, you can come here and go to week 3 early. And you're going to look at search results tips from Dr. Hoy. And this talks about some library support that you can reach out for. And then working on the annotated bibliography first half. So that is something that we will discuss more next week, but everything you need is here. There's really nothing I'm going to say in the video that's new information that isn't able to be found here. But what I do find is that I have a significant number of students who, once they get here into week 2 and have done these 2 things, they're like really ready to start their research. And so there is no reason for you to wait if you want to jump into week 3 during week 2. Once week 2 is completed, both are completed, you absolutely can do that. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm always here to help, and I'm just really glad to be on this journey with you. Please remember that you basically stated, I'd like to do, action research about whatever the topic was. That is not written in stone. So if you do get into your research and you realize you want to change your topic, or you want to change from action research to a school improvement plan or the other way, it really is fine until you get over here in week 5. That's kind of where we really want you to have decided for sure. So as you begin to write that introduction, because in week 5 is when those that are doing action research are going to be applying for the IRB approval. That is only for those that are completing action research. It is, however, a very important step, and it does mean that you have to wait for the institutional review board to approve those. And so I used to be on the institutional review board, and I am no longer on that board due to the fact that I just do not have the time that it takes, and it's very significant committee responsibility. So that's why you'll be kind of stuck a little bit while you wait for them to meet and approve your research design. Now remember, that is only for action research. So between weeks 2 and in week 4, you could still change your mind, because everybody's going to write that lit review. Everybody's going to do the annotated bibliography the exact same way. All of that is the same. It doesn't matter which project that you choose. Okay. All right. Well, that is our walk through Blackboard for the week. Take care.